Joining me for more on that, Rakhi and Ilesh, as I said, the reality couple of the moment, joining me from Mumbai. I'm also joined by Fiza, and also with me is Professor Shiv Vishwanathan from Ahmedabad, sociologist. I'm joined by Jerry Pinto, media commentator from Mumbai, and I'm also joined by Rajiv Lakshman, the man who made Splitsvilla, that famous MTV show. Thank you all very much for joining me. Rakhi and Ilesh, first, congratulations on your engagement. And I'm sorry, but I have to ask, is it for real or is this just for television rating points? Will this engagement actually become marriage as was promised?
Of course, it's a real. This is not I'm not doing from. This is my engagement. जो सब कुछ हुआ है, real हुआ है. कोई नौटंकी नहीं है.
I wouldn't really waste my time if this was not going to be real. This is real as you and I are talking live right now. That's how real it is.
Right, so it's completely real, but of course, and you had great TRP points yesterday as well to watch this reality. Rakhi, if I could just ask you, the whole criticism of reality shows is that people who are not really that famous become famous just because they expose their lives, their marriage partners, their choices on these kind of shows.
देखिए, हाँ, मैं तो काफी स्ट्रगल करके आगे बढ़ी हूँ. मैंने तो बहुत ही मुश्किलों से अपना करियर बनाया है. बात रही रियलिटी शोज की, तो मैं रियलिटी शो की क्वीन ही मानी जाती हूँ, नो डाउट. बट फेम तो मिलता ही है रियलिटी शो से. बट मेरा जो स्वयंवर था वो एक कोई रियलिटी शो नहीं था. लोगों के लिए रियलिटी शो होगा, मेरे लिए तो बिल्कुल स्वयंवर था, बिल्कुल सच्चाई थी. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इलेश ने मेरा आंसर दिया. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. चलो अच्छा है, कम से कम आप मेरी बातों का यकीन तो नहीं माना, इलेश की बातों का यकीन मानिए कि भाई हाँ, हमारी एंगेजमेंट हो गई है. किसी को यकीन नहीं हो रहा है, हाँ, हो गई है. बहुत जल्द शादी भी हो जाएगी जब इलेश चाहेंगे.
All right, we believe you, and of course the fact is that your actual wedding will be another huge television spectacle. Let me just bring in Fiza at this point. Fiza, formerly Anuradha, you actually became known on national television, not entertainment television, but on national news television when there was that whole dramatic marriage with Bhajan Lal's son who converted to Islam to marry you. Why do you think in India now there is such a focus on other people's lives? Why is there so much interest in your life and other people like yourself?
It's totally depend upon the people. I can say only this thing, because nobody wants that you should expose your personal life in media and all that. But the thing is this, how people take the things. And the most important thing is this, in my case, it's never happened in history like this. And you know what Chand did. First he became, after when he ran away from my place, after that he became Mohammedan, and after that when I filed a complaint against him, he became again Chand Mohammed, and after so many times he did such type of things, converting into another religion, not for the first time. Now he did it, you know this thing very well, and I have been, no doubt I have been exploited by Bhajan Lal family. And it's very clear about all those things. But it's really it's a national news, and I just admit this.
Rakhi, your own life has been one of personal struggle. You started as a young girl doing item numbers in Hindi films. You've always been completely open about this. You said you have nothing to hide. Did you feel that in a way it was a vindication when you had so many conservative Indian families wanting you to be their bahu?
यस, मैं बहुत ही सरप्राइज हुई हूँ, और मुझे बहुत प्राउड है कि मैं आइटम सॉन्ग्स और सब करती हूँ, आगे भी करूँगी. इलेश को या उनके पेरेंट्स को किसी भी चीज़ से रोक टोक नहीं है, बिकॉज सारी बातें क्लियर हो चुकी है, उन्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम्स भी नहीं है. और मैंने फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि मैं इस तरह से मेरी शादी होगी या मेरी स्वयंवर होगा, या कभी सोचा नहीं था. बट बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. जो भी मेरा डिसीजन था, एक नया इतिहास रचना चाहा मैंने, एक नई हिस्ट्री बनानी चाहिए मैंने. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे कि मैंने ये कदम उठाया. आज सारी लड़कियां यहाँ पे हैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, सब यही कहती है कि काश हमें भी इलेश जैसा लड़का मिलता. यू नो, आपके सामने भी कहा सारी लड़कियों ने. तो मैंने कहा, देखा, स्वयंवर रचाने का नतीजा ये हुआ कि कितना अच्छा लड़का मुझे मिला है.
tuba.com.